So today we are going for a trekking. ये पूरा योगा का बैच है, इनकी रोज आफ्टरनून में क्लास होती है, मेरी भी कल थी, पर आज देयर इज अ चेंज ऑफ कोर्स। आज हम एक 5 किलोमीटर की ट्रैक पे जा रहे हैं। सो देयर इज अ चेंज ऑलवेज व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड आउटसाइड द क्लासरूम। यू लर्न रियल टाइम व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड दिस इज द गैंग।
Make it, you know. After, yeah. You will shoot, you know.
I will shoot you. Lovely weather, lovely people. योगा और आउटडोर दोनों कॉम्बिनेशन हो रहा है। ये कौन सी जगह जाएंगे हम?
ये आपका तपोवन है, अपर गुप्तानी।
अपर गुप्तानी।
गुप्तानी गुप्तानी
गुप्तानी। तो ये तपोवन ही है ना?
ये तपोवन ही है पूरा।
हाँ। So we have to take a detour क्योंकि रास्ते में पानी पूरा भरा हुआ था। तो Pablo is taking us the via route. After a long time, I'm just doing this trekking, which is real fun. अभी बारिश हो गई थी तो इसकी वजह से अब मौसम थोड़ा अच्छा है. It's not that sunny, sultry, and this is what it is. This is what it is.
On my course because it's not happening anymore. Okay, so I just did full surrender.
It's raining.
Who is arriving?
It's raining.
Achha, it's raining.
Dance in the rain.
OMG.
Dance in the rain. The only thing I care about is my phone because I have my phone in here. And maybe my
So
passport.
my phone is anyways rain protected, water protection.
I'll probably put it in your bag too then. I'm scared.
You were not there today, right? Throughout the day.
No.
What were you doing outside market?
Yes.
And what did you find in market? Coke
Coke, yeah. And something else.
and something else.
Very careful.
Hopefully. Okay, I can't see it. Wait, what was that?
I was zooming on your camera like this.
I couldn't just see one. Bye.
So this is something what they are trying to do is take some energy or giving some. Look at this.
Oh my god, that was even better looking. She's cute.
I hope. Oh. Sorry?
It's pretty, but it still has some trash.
Then I'll make this video, I'll send it to all of you. Yeah? You all will see the video. Everybody will be there. So we are going for a tea because of rains. We had to cancel our trek. And now we are at called तुलसी रिट्रीट। यहाँ पे पियेंगे हम एक बढ़िया सी चाय और सब अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे।